Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the Daily Goodie Box. If you're not familiar with this, it's free to join and set up a profile, and if you're selected, you get a box of goodies and free samples. So on top, it's just reminding you that you should review your products by logging into your account. And if you follow them on their social media, you have a pretty good chance of winning a box, so I will link all their information below. So first up from CURAD, we have Soothe Cool Instant Cooling Technology. It's a burn bandage. That's really cool. Removes the heat instantly. Cushions, waterproofs, and absorbent. Huh. I have never seen anything like that. That's a really good idea. So there are 8 in there. Awesome. Then we have foam-free mint. This is a herbal toothpaste. Very nice. One tube lasts 3 times as long. You need less of it, it says, when you brush. Very cool. Then we have Geo Treeline Coffee Roasters. So I guess it's just an individual coffee packet. So you just put it over your cup, pour some water in. Love coffee, so I will definitely give that a try. Also have a face mask. Oh cool, peel off black seaweed mask. I love the peel off ones. I think those are way more satisfying than the ones you wash off. Very fun. And then we have Smart Pressed Juice. 2 packets of vegan vanilla protein. Cool. I do use plant-based protein, so we'll definitely give that a try. It's been a while since I've had my protein shakes, but I used to have them quite often. Then we have some Fruitmojis. Those are cute. Mixed berries, flavored snacks, made with fruit juice, and looks like there's like this little smiley face, the poop emoji, all sorts of fun ones. I'm definitely gonna let Jackson enjoy that. Then we have some apple cider vinegar body wash. Very cool. I've never seen an apple cider one, so I'm interested in that. Apple cider is great for all sorts of things. To drink it, to clear up like toe fungus, like you name it, that stuff is just awesome. So lots of health benefits. And then the last, oh nope, we got 2 of the little snacks, so that's cool. And then the last product is a snackless date and peanut butter bar. Yum, yum. Gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, no sugar added, good source of fiber, and very low sodium. And then they normally throw in some advertisements for the companies inside. Sometimes you also get promo codes, so for Smart Pressed Juice you get 15% off. Very cool. So that's what came in my June box. If you guys are interested, I will put all their information below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.